Kevin with K-Square Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the seated pike lift. Alright guys, so key points of performance here. We're getting into another variation of strengthening your lower abdomen. Call this the pike lift. So we're going to start with feet straight out ahead. The further down, the more difficult it's going to be. The further back you go, the easier it's going to be. Ideally, I have your thumbs right at your knees. And this, if for one thing, if you have a mobility issue, bending over or folding over is going to be challenging enough in itself. So compress as much as you can, and then from here you're going to push into the floor actively. That's what's going to get you to engage your hamstrings. Try to avoid just fingertips. If you have the mobility, push hard into the floor, and then I'm going to lift my feet up. Notice even this small position here, I'm getting a lot of engagement in my arms. Through the entire time I'm compressing, I'm trying to pull my ribs down as my feet come up. This is going to make you better at hollow bodies. It's going to make you better at doing L-sits. It's going to make your core overall stronger. A little tip, if you're struggling to get your feet up high enough and hold it, take your shoes off. It's a small amount of weight, but it does make a difference. Other than that, that's the seated pike lift. Get after it.